Okay, you got masks, you got nets, hair nets, and you got Red Bull. They squeeze out of you every piece of life out of you. Of course, it is acceptable in their understanding to desecrate the land that they work. It's normal behavior. It's absolutely normal for humans to feel this way because this is seen as normal. In everybody's eyes, this is seen as perfectly normal behavior, so just chuck it. Yes. What is normal behavior for you? A clean site? No. A normal behavior for you is this: a full of trash, a volume of rubbish, alcohol, flat screens. Yes. Flat screen, cheap clothing. Yeah. Factories, of course. They squeeze the life out of you, and you're entitled to do this, it seems, in your understanding and everybody else's understanding. It is abnormal behavior. No, seems to be the normal behavior on the planet today. This is seen as absolutely acceptable by society and humanity on site normally. No, anywhere. Under passage where they dump everything. Look. This is disaster. This is a disaster for the planet. It's not a disaster for human beings because they come and go. This is a disaster for generations to come. They will pay a bigger price than we are paying with this virus right now. If this is going to be accepted here in Britain, a country that is supposed to have the most educated and most incredible people supposed to be, but if this is what we are doing, I don't know why and what we will find ourselves in later on. It's definitely the fact that the mess is unprecedented. It is not possible to be able to clear it up because we found ourselves deeply embedded in this kind of culture. The culture which seems to be seen as a norm or a normal behavior. And yeah.